So it's holiday time, right? And yeah, look, I'm not going to film all of this because this is really about a family vacation, but it is something a bit special, and it's something kind of fun and unique, which is kind of interesting. And that is that we're on a houseboat. So we're on the Murray River in Australia. It's the river that divides Victoria and New South Wales. And so on that side over there, that's New South Wales riverbank. My understanding is actually all of this belongs to New South Wales. That both banks and the river is New South Wales, but this side's the Victorian side, and we're allowed to dock on the Victorian side. We found this place is getting late. We're not allowed to drive this thing at night time, and yeah, because you're not allowed to drive at night time, it's sort of starting to get late. So we thought we better hook up here and more and get ready for the night. And then when you wake up, there's like boats everywhere. It's like okay, but that's all right. We were making a mile. We were traveling quite a bit yesterday to get here, and yeah, like we drove for 2.5 hours up the Murray, which is kind of nice after traveling from Halls Gap. And there's the clips of that as well in this video, I think. I'll see how much I can be bothered putting together, but this place is cool, very cool. Have a quick look around. Give you a bit of a squeeze. This is called the Britannia. It says actually, like, it really is just a house. Like, it's beautiful. TV, gas appliances for cooking. We've got gas heater if we need it, which we did chuck on this morning and last night for a bit, as well as gas hot water, which is infinite water, hot water, which is great. We've got electrical appliances, aircon, fridge and all that stuff. Most of this, like at the moment, it's just running on battery power, but if we were to say want the aircon on, or dishwasher or microwave or anything that sucks a bit more juice, got a massive generator at the end of this thing. It's pretty cool. Lots of rooms. Water pumps, massive generator, it's so huge. It's a outboard motor, and then we head up here, upstairs. This is kind of nice. We've got loungy chairs, sitting chairs, table. We'll be sitting there and eating some food. We're doing lunch up here later. More loungy chairs, TV, speakers around the place, and it's a really nice view. It just so happens, yeah, just so happens because I'm awesome, right? That when I chose a spot to stop, there's a road just there, so there's people riding their bikes. Not as secluded as what I pictured it being, but it's all good. It's a funny mix on these boats. Fish is going for a walk, she needs to be moving, which I get. I've been driving all day, so I don't feel the need to move too much. I feel like I've been doing stuff. Once you're sort of tied up, because you're moving a bit on the water, it's kind of like a little bit unsettling. It's like, oh, I'm not moving, I'm not. Yeah. But it's pretty good. This guy's going for it. Fully going for it. That machine sounds awesome.
You got it.
Good job. Sorry, I didn't want you to get vibrated off the island, that's all.
That's good.
And don't let that gangplank bog in. Thank you. Go for it, Mum.
Nice beach.
Oh, if it wasn't raining, it'd be like.
You could have had fire on it.
Yeah.
We're moving.
Yeah, can you close the flower?
Flower.
Yeah, we're drifting.
Thank you.
That's okay, that's what I'm meant to do.
Yeah, it'll drift back, Maya, and then it'll pull tight.
So now, this is anchored. That's tight.
And that one's loose.
That's like a loose one. That's like a backup anyway.
Well, I'm pretty sure one of these corners will be now touching.
This
one,
one
it's that
touching,
one.
yeah.
That'll be touching. So
good.
now we're not moving.
Why didn't we have beaches like this every other time?
Like
People
this
were
is
on them, I guess.
such a nice.
Good
And the
spot.
other thing we need to check, I don't want to bias in my face, but is do we have perception?
Oh yeah.
I have 4 bars. Thank you, Jesus.
I got one.
Yeah.
How many bars?
Good job.
Mum's got 4, so at
Yeah.
least we have someone. I've got
I got
3.
1 bar.
Good work,
3
team.
bars.
Good work. That is.
None. Hey, I got 1 bar.
How you got none?
I got 3.
I got 1. Now it's going up to 1. Give me a sec. Let me walk over here quick. I got 8. I should jump in. What?
Well, you did jump in.
Yeah, I did. Yeah.
Jordy, like get on the side of the boat and jump in.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah. What if there's a lob or anything, George?
Off the top. Yeah.
Oh, George, you are crazy.
Oh, that's.
Deep?
I don't know. Oh, I can touch it there. Okay,
No diving or jumping. You might have landed something and hurt yourself, Dom.
That's where you go off the very end.
In his hands.
Huh?
No, don't.
Push it. You tickle it?
Oh, George, you suck. You landed.
I checked.
All good.
Do it again. No. You gotta go deeper, George. George, you gotta go in deeper. Like, as in jump off deeper. Good boy for doing it for all of us.
That's it, George. This one's for the team.
My legs are cold. My legs are cold. My legs are cold.
All good. Well done. All right.
The old thing, like the
Oh, that's
historical
all right.
society took it over or something.
Oh, do they?
And then the machine, some people said they're good, some people said they're all jam.
Yeah.
No, that was just in the middle bit, I think.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it seems to be like a creek division.
Cool.
We've seen so many like that.
It's just hanging on by hopes and dreams. It's just that one route, I reckon, that's going straight into there. That's the only thing holding that thing in place. Did exercising.